some purifying. Confront me with what I'm denying. Prove that I'm wrong, say it ain't true. Letting go of everything that made you. My bravado when I claim that I ain't afraid to die. Label everything as nothing, meanwhile I'm terrified. Want the world to mean the world to me. Didn't diminish the minutes I fought for a spark. Get there hopefully. Constantly robbing myself for the present moment. Knew before I started that I'd be overloading. Shit I did in the past I'm not condoning. Way too worried to miss an omen. Or shit that I should be owning. When using full force, know where you're going. When I claim to feel A1, I'm feeling A-force with the past that I'm owning. I've known real love, it's on me. Next time I'm bringing an army, yeah. Learn how to go with the tide instead of cutting ties. Now give me some purifying. Confront me with what I'm denying. Prove that I'm wrong, say it ain't true. Letting go of everything that made you. Gave me some purifying. Confronted me with what I've been denying. Proved that I'm wrong, said it ain't true. Letting go of everything that made